Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2006 Kawasaki Vulcan Nomad 2000cc cruiser. We're going to take a walk around this big cruiser and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike is in very good condition and this bike is loaded. Passenger seat and luggage rack with a storage bag on the back of the driver's backrest. This bike has saddlebags on it. Footboards for the passenger. As you can see, the studded seats and bags. This bike does show a little wear, a little scuffing on the tank from wear, but overall doesn't show any damage of ever being tipped over or down. It's also got highway bars with foot pegs on it, highway pegs, along with a wrap around the bars as a protection. This bike also has the highway driving lights, and you can also see it's got a tall, clear windshield. There's a shot of the front fender, good shape. Front tire, good shape also. And you can see the little extensions on the end here. And again, here's another shot of that wrap around the highway bars, and then highway pegs on this side. Footboards, driver and passenger. As you can see, here's a shot of the seats and everything again. Everything's in great shape there. No rips, no tears, along with the saddlebag. Right now this back light bar is loose. As you can see, it's kind of hanging crooked. We've just got to put a bolt back in it. It hasn't had a chance to have its inspection yet, so we just picked it up. And this bike is belt drive. $22,925 is what's on this bike. So, and we've also got a throttle lock on this side. Starts right up, as you can hear, runs well. You can hear it idle right down. As I said, this bike will be going through our 24-point inspection. It hasn't had it yet, but it will also come with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty, and it will also have, as long as you own this bike from us, a lifetime discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping simplystreetbikes.com.